Hi, how are you? I'm here just to give you a simple, free way to simplify your room decor, to bring some calmness to your space, to your nursery or your kids' room, and just to kind of add a little bit of organization. It's a very simple thing you can do, and it's all about the bookcase or the bookshelf. So here we have a multicolored arrangement of books. This is in my son's room. We had a little friend over playing the other day, and he took out a lot of books and was looking at them, and we just quickly put them back on the shelf. But normally we have them organized by colors: blue, yellow, the spines, how they look on the shelf. We do this because I find it to be visually calming. It can bring organization and order to the room and your space, and it's just easy and free, and it's just a design element that I think looks great in any room. Another good reason to organize your books by color in your nursery or kids room is because at a little age they're not reading yet, and they have difficulty maybe reading what's on the spine to read the title, "This is New York," or "The Best Nest." But they do remember books by color. They have really good memories, right? And so they're probably going to remember that Green Eggs and Ham is orange, and Curious George books are yellow and blue, and so on and so on. This is also a good way to help them find their favorite book at bedtime much faster. So now we have all the books by color, the spines, blues and yellows, blacks, white, brown, red, orange, and green. So if you're trying to figure out where that Green Eggs and Ham book is, it's orange, right? So red's orange. There it is. Orange.
I hope you enjoyed this video and will subscribe to our channel, and definitely click the little bell in the upper right hand corner to get notifications when we have new design advice, room reveals, or DIY projects.